And this is the introduction for the men's 800 meters run final. 104 is Muhammad Afzal P of Air Force. 515 we have Tushar Vasant of Railway Sport. 389 is Satyajit Suresh Pujari of Maharashtra. 241 Krishan Kumar of Haryana. 530 Shakil of Rajasthan. Bib number 674 Shyam Milan Bind of Uttar Pradesh. Bib number 367 Prathmesh of Maharashtra. And 636 is Vinod of Telangana. And the national record stands in the name.
Number 4 is Krishan Kumar of Haryana. 2 laps here, Muhammad Afzal, surely the favorite. They'll crouch out there. If you see, there are no starting blocks. They'll crouch here. We again have had a surprising day with a few upsets, and I'm going to keep you in suspense because I am going to talk to someone who has been a wonderful boy over the last 2 years and going. We're now setting off here for the first 20 odd meters in the 800 meters. The lights are up once again. As I said, this is a beautiful view from the top there, as Muhammad Afzal and the others will start coming in. There they come in now. Watch out for bib 104. That's Muhammad Afzal. He's right there on the right of the picture frame. He's making sure, although he's now gone into number 2, number 3. Not many expect Muhammad Afzal to do that in the 800 meters, but he's surely got a game plan out here, and he's now still lying in 3. This is where he might have to start picking up. In fact, he's gone now to 4 from the outside. Is he going to find it slightly difficult to come in there? Now the bell goes for the final 400 meters. The leader now out here is Shyam Milan Bind. Muhammad Afzal is not opening out. He's still in number 5. And he's been bunched together. He's finding it difficult. He's now moved to 6. That's a big surprise. That's a huge surprise. Prathamesh Amresh Dowre of Maharashtra. In fact, Muhammad Afzal has called it a day out here. And it's now a duel between the two of them. Dowre, the lead now changing with Tushar Bekane of the Railway Sports. And then you got Tushar Bekane out there. The final burst in the final 10 meters. It is Prashant Dewre, and is it 241? Sneaking in there, Krishan Kumar of Haryana. Perhaps that last burst, or is it Prathamesh Amresh Dewre, or is it Tushant Vasant Bekane? So while we are looking at the winner here, which is a surprise, and that is this boy, Krishan Kumar of Haryana, coming up with a surprise. Well, there they are. One on the far side is